Hi, this is Jamie from Fourth Dimension Planner. Today I want to show you how you can design the comic cover page with free version of Canva. So let's get started. I designed this cover page with everything free version element on the letter size. So we want to sort of aim this kind of look for our demonstration today, and we are going to start it with grids. And you want to look for something remotely looks like the comic page layout. So I chose this one, and you want to leave some kind of merging around the grid so it looks like comic page layout. So okay, so next you want to find comic element. I tried all sorts of keywords, but comic seems to work the best. And of course, this is free version. I'm trying to show in free version, so we are going to pick static and free, and here. So we can start to add elements to this grid, and then this lady, and this man. Oh, it was here, I think. Yeah. And also this is supposed to go behind him. We'll move the its position later. And this can go in the back, and also her background and city background. Okay, that free version is really limited to what you can pick, so it can be hard, but it still can be done. What you can do is gradient, and you want to pick something darker. And oh, here is her element, and you can pick that. Since I can't find that yellow one, I don't know what happened to it. I'm going to have to pick something. How about, does it go? No, it won't go. Um, so I like that yellow one. Mm, no, that doesn't go really. Well, to save some time, I'm just going to reuse the element I picked before. So, okay, that can be, yeah, that's better. I'll show you, this is a free version of Canva. So it can be done, and also we can start to add elements for background, and then for that, because we are limited to free version, we are going to start to look for code using keyword halftone. Here we go. So we can use that one, and crop and change the color to something matching to the background like that. And we want to move the position backwards so she doesn't look like a spotted face. And we also want to flip her this way so she looks toward the center of the page. Okay. We want to do the same with this element. Okay. And we want to crop. Before cropping, let's blow it up all the way to the edge of the page. Okay. Something like that. And done. And move it backward. And it can be different color now I think of it. Yeah, that looks really good actually. I like it more than the original one. So let's go back to adding those cityscape. So you can do city and the search, and here we go. One city and another one. So you want shadow look. So okay, here we go. You really can tell where it starts and where it ends. So that's really pretty good way to use those cityscapes. And we want those speech bubbles next. So let's go back to comic and so static and free and apply filters and apply filters. Okay. Okay, so we can add this cow here and cap cow. Oh, also don't forget she needs some sparkles here and duplicate and duplicate. And also, what was she supposed to be saying? It was boss, yes, boss. I don't see any boss. Oh, here. Here's her boss. So we can add some boss here and probably should move this sparkles a bit out of the way, and her sparkle can be here. Okay, so the final touch would be this comic notebook speech bubble. Okay, to save some time again, I am just going to use the history. Here you go. So again, this is free version, and because I want it make it look like this guy is speaking, I'm going to flip horizontally like so, and make it slightly smaller, I suppose, but not too small because this is supposed to be a book cover. and you want your title to be attention grabbing. And for that reason, we are going to change its background color to something more bold. And yeah, the black trim is pretty good. So let's keep it that way. And we are going to add text here. Add heading and says comic, blank comic page notebook. Okay. And we want it to be something more comic. So you can look for something comic. And I chose this Comica. Oh, it didn't change. Comica. Okay, so that's so this font should be um not so white. Oh, it's red. Okay, red is always a good color, and we want to choose something like that. Comic comic book red. So let's move this boss to all the way to the front so it doesn't interfere. So it appears on top of the speech bubble. Here we go. And don't forget to add your author's name. So let's duplicate this one and make it much smaller. And your name here. And of course, we are going to change it to different colors, like yellow here. There you have it. So I hope you like my demonstration. And if you have any questions, please leave the comment at the bottom. And don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.